English language, we turn a singular noun to plural by adding s and es. In Filipino, in Bisaya, we turn a singular noun to plural by adding mga. Again, it's mga. Mga. For examples, gulay. Gulay is a Bisaya term for the word vegetable. To turn that into plural, which is in English vegetables, we just simply add mga. Mga gulay. Gulay in singular and mga gulay in plural. Fruit. In Bisaya, we say prutas. If you want to say fruits, we say mga prutas. Mga prutas. Dulaan. Dulaan is a Bisaya word for toy. If you want to say toys, then we say mga dulaan. Mga dulaan. Sakyanan. Sakyanan is the Bisaya word for vehicle. If you want to say vehicles, we say mga sakyanan. That's right, mga sakyanan. Iro. Iro is a Bisaya word for dog. If you want to say dogs, we say mga iro. Mga iro. Something new today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!